What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the BDK show. My name is Kevin. Today we got a really cool unboxing. Now I'm going to make this short, sweet, and fast because there's already a million of these, proper unboxings with like pro people that actually do specs and stuff. So I'm just going to do a quick review, a quick unboxing, and yeah, let's get to it. Now, of course, I got it from no other than Amazon. Got here like literally 4 hours before from the time I ordered to the time I got delivered, it was like 4 hours. So, I mean, I didn't even expect it to get here that fast, but it was super fast and super easy. So now I have it. Now I'm gonna get my Michael Myers knife because I don't have scissors because I couldn't find them. But yeah, let's just open this box up. Now I did get, of course, from the title, the beautiful GoPro Hero 9 Black. Yeah, got that. I also got an SD card with the max capacity that the GoPro could handle, which is 256 gigabytes. Yeah, this is the max the GoPro 9 could handle. It did need to be rated for U3 in like 4K and all this stuff, but luckily this was only 26 bucks on Amazon, or when it originally is $40, so got a really cool deal there. So yeah, let's put this to the side because it's not important, and let's get to unboxing this bad boy. I did use this camera in my California trip from my friend Avery that he let me borrow for a day while he was visiting me, and I instantly knew I need to have this. Yeah, so right now I'm shooting from my Sony Handycam, the CX405. It did me well in previous vlogs, like when I went to Japan and stuff. I really didn't use it much because all I did was use it in that trip and a little here and there for stuff, but I didn't really use it how I wanted to. And it's not its fault. It's a great camera. I'll still use it for like other stuff because it could do cool nose zooms and things like that. But I definitely loved how crispy and like just pro looking this GoPro Hero 9 looked. Yeah, when I was using it, the stabilization and like the quality and everything, especially when I exported it into that vlog, you could see like a night and day difference between this Handycam and the GoPro Hero 9. Like you could see when one ends and the other starts, like clearly. It's very clear. But anyway, enough about that. Let's get to the unboxing. So, GoPro Hero 9 Black. I got it for $350 yesterday, which was March 17th, I guess. Today's the 18th. Yeah, $350. It's normally $400, I think. Yeah. So it was 50 bucks off this week or something. So I picked it up. Yeah, let's get to it. GoPro Hero 9 Black Hyper Smooth 3.0. It has a 20 megapixel camera. It records at 5K, 30 frames, 4K 60 frames, and 1080p 240 frames. Honestly, when I was recording, I was using the 24 frames and it looked beautiful. I'll play around with other stuff, but I really liked how that specific frame rate looked, so I'll probably be shooting in that. But I'll play around with the other stuff for sure since I have the capability. It has a bunch of other stuff. I'll just read through them. 8x slow-mo, data overlay, time warp 3.0, 1080p live streaming, but I think you need the GoPro service for that, which I'm not going to do. Super photo, HDR, raw, just raw, like literally. I don't know what that means, but raw. You can use this camera specifically as a webcam, which is really cool because not many could do that, but this one does it. And it's also touchscreen and it's also like face screen, which is what I'm going to mainly be using it for vlogs. So that's like really awesome. Like the second I saw that, I knew that was like a big plus for it. So yeah, you could see it has a back camera and then the front LCD display that shows you like what you're doing, which is a big step because I had the GoPro Hero 2 like forever ago. And that you literally had to press click and hope for the best because you couldn't see anything till it actually like you took the SD card out and plugged it in your computer. So that was like hope for the best and that's it. But now you know exactly what you're doing. Alrighty, now let's open this box up. There's no nice way to do it because it's glued, so it's just gonna break. Yeah, that happened. Yeah, I wish there was a nicer way to do this. You know, in case people want to return it or something. Now it's gonna look obviously opened, but I doubt I'm gonna be returning this. Anyway, we got this open. It comes in a lovely, like, nice case. It's like kind of hard shell. Pretty cool. It has the GoPro logo there. It's a zipper. I doubt I'll be using this much because I am gonna have it like on a vlogging setup pretty much. So I doubt I'll be using it, but it's really nice that it came with it. Yeah, it says GoPro, and wow. Right off the bat, USB cord, USB-C to USB. It has like the GoPro Battery. That's really cool. And what I love about it is that these batteries are actually $20. Breaking it. Yeah, they're $20 on Amazon for the official like GoPro ones, not some like third party that are gonna drain real quick and lose life like real quick. So it's pretty cool. Batteries are really cheap. Awesome. Now it also has like I guess this is the GoPro mount that actually holds it, and then you use this to put on you use this to put on like the tripods and things like that. But this is actually what holds the GoPro along with this thing. Just screws on. It also has this 3M like sticky pad that you could put like, basically it's meant for it's an action cam, so you could put this like on a car or bike, literally whatever. It only comes with one. I really don't know if I'd ever use this because I'm not a very sporty guy. I do gym stuff, but not like outdoorsy. Like I said, I'm mainly going to be using this for vlogging and like, I don't know, stuff like that. So I don't know if I'll use this, but it has it. It's cool. Now, before we get to the camera, just some more stuff. I guess, oh, they have some stickers. Some GoPro stickers. It also has instructions to download I'm like so dumb, what is it? The app, the GoPro app. And yeah, I think you download it because you need to update the camera to like the latest firmware and stuff. And as you can see here, it shows you how to dock it on this thing that I told you about. And it also shows like the 3M sticky pad. So yeah, it also shows you over here on the left-hand side how to put the batteries and all that stuff. So pretty pointless card, but I guess for people that don't know what they're doing, it's cool. Of course, the pamphlet, instruction, guidebook, phone numbers, blah, blah, blah. Probably will never read this, and I already forgot about it. Lastly is the beautiful GoPro Hero 9 camera. Very small. Just as you expect it. It does come nicely like sealed. It has plastics everywhere. And yeah, so starting off here, you can see this is where the front LCD display is. So you can see like the camera, obviously the lens right here, and the back LCD screen right there. And it has like this white like cover on it. So yeah, let's get to unwrapping it. Now I'm gonna take off this film right here, or not the film, but like the little white plastic thing. There we go. Oh, that's nice. When I saw it on my friend's camera, I didn't see the actual GoPro because he had like a case and everything on it. But this thing is like, it's so crazy that this is a camera. And it records like at all the crazy things that it said earlier. But yeah, I don't know how to, like the battery? I guess I do need this after all because I'm pretty dumb and don't know how to put the battery. So it looks like you pull the tab. You pull the tab. Sorry, that took me a while to figure out. But yeah, the battery goes in here once you pull the tab. So let's see. I don't even know if it came pre-juiced. I guess we'll find out once I put it in here. And there is a USB in here. I don't know what that's for. It might be to charge, where you put the USB-C. Or that might just be in general how you connect it. But anyway, we put the battery in. And then I'm going to press the power button, which is right here. Oh, it turned on. Or it beeped at least. Oh yeah, it did turn on. So as you can see, it's on. So you could see my face through the screen right there as if I'm vlogging, I guess. So that's really cool. And in the front, it says GoPro Hero 9, and I guess it wants me to do the setup. So I'll do this all on my own. This was just the video for the unboxing. So yeah, like I said, There's millions of these out there. I just wanted to do it for fun because I haven't done one in a long time. Really excited to use this camera. I might be doing I said that wrong. I might be going to a place down here in San Antonio. The Riverwalk this weekend is like the St. Patrick's like Riverwalk festival, I guess, where they do like a bunch of cool stuff in the Riverwalk area downtown San Antonio. So I might be going there and trying this thing out. Pretty much I probably am, so it'll be cool to like test it out, like first time being out in like a social gathering and like actual like interesting stuff to see. But yeah, I'm super excited to use this camera. I do have more accessories coming sometime today, but I just figured who cares? It's just the case for it and then like the stand for it, so it's nothing important. It was, like I said, this video was just an unboxing, but yeah, super excited to test it out. We'll see what I do with it, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.